Our main concern is the humanitarian aid distribution. We see the humanitarian aid behind the borders, but it doesn't reach the people. The humanitarian aid distribution, we are supportive of the international humanitarian aid distribution networks because they have all the tools, necessary tools to deliver that. And of course, also that the situation is improved for the people on the ground on the aid being delivered, but also the other aspects of this situation. So this is the main thing. And when it comes to measures, then well, you can also see what are the measures deriving from the association agreement. So there is the measures are there, but the concrete question is what then we are able to agree. But right now the most important thing is to improve the situation on the ground, improve the lives of people in Palestine and stop the suffering and also human toll that we see there every day.
Lili.